Keto Coconut Flour Brownies Recipe. These divine keto coconut flour brownies will blow your mind with their fudgy texture, intense chocolate flavor, and impressively low carb count, only 2 grams per brownie. Plus, they're gluten-free and made with simple, wholesome ingredients, so you can indulge guilt-free. This recipe whips up in just 15 minutes, making it perfect for those last-minute chocolate cravings. It's sure to become a staple in your keto baking arsenal. Here's what you'll need for a batch that makes 12 mouth-watering brownies. Dry ingredients: 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, Dutch processed for extra richness. 1/4 cup Wholesome Yum coconut flour, fine grind recommended. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Wet ingredients: 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1/3 cup granulated sweetener of choice, Swerve, Erythritol, monk fruit. 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 1/2 cup sugar-free chocolate chips, optional. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder, coconut flour, baking powder, and salt. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the melted butter, sweetener, eggs, vanilla extract, and heavy cream until smooth and glossy. 4. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and gently fold until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the brownies tough. 5. If using, gently fold in the chocolate chips. 6. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread evenly. 7. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out with a few moist crumbs. Don't overbake, as these brownies continue to set as they cool. 8. Let the brownies cool completely in the pan before slicing and serving. Tips and tricks: for extra fudgy brownies, use dark chocolate chips or even chopped dark chocolate instead of sugar-free chips. Add a sprinkle of flaky sea salt on top of the brownies before baking for a delicious sweet and salty contrast. Want to get creative? Try adding crushed nuts, espresso powder, or even a teaspoon of peanut butter to the batter for a flavor twist. Store leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or in the fridge for up to a week. They're proof that you can enjoy decadent desserts without sacrificing your health goals. So ditch the store-bought keto treats and whip up a batch of these homemade beauties. Your taste buds, and your macros, will thank you. Additional notes: this recipe is easily doubled if you're feeding a crowd or craving brownies all week long. Be sure to adjust the baking time slightly if using a different pan size. Remember, coconut flour absorbs moisture like a champ, so don't be afraid to add a tablespoon or 2 of extra heavy cream if your batter seems too thick. With a little love and this simple recipe, you can conquer your chocolate cravings and stay on track with your keto lifestyle. Happy baking!